Model, 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC Sportive 29001.6 CDTI-BT, 125, S, SL2H1 long wheelbase needs turbo bargain. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 127,945. MOT, the 21st of August 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine, runs fine, but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine sounds good, straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0, 7